Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's April, and today I'm going to share with you guys October's Whiff Box. So I will admit I have seen some videos on this already, so I do know what's in here, but I'm still really excited to share it with you guys. Okay, so when I first open up the box, this is what it looks like. And right on top, I see this paper, and this has a recipe in it, and I'm so excited. It says bake up some fun. And yeah, here we go. A cute little recipe, and it is for Vanilla Bean Buttercream sugar cookies. Now, I'm not a baker, but my husband is, and I'm going to see if he will make me some. Okay, so right off the top, I see, let me see if I can share it or show you guys. Right here, this is going to be a sunflower, and I'm excited because I love them so much. So let's see what scent this is. I believe they are Vanilla Bean Buttercream, but I don't know, maybe they're different for everybody. Okay. Let's see. There's a little cap that comes with it. I'm sorry if you guys can't see what I'm doing, but let's see. Yep, Vanilla Bean Buttercream. So I'm really excited to have that in a fragrance flower. I love the scent bar. And I'm going to carefully open up the flower because I don't want to rip it. So I can just show you guys. Oh, it's so pretty. And the way you do this is you take off the black cap, and then you take off a little piece of paper that's right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little piece of paper that you'll unwrap from there. You'll stick it in and put the pretty decorative silver cap on top. So yeah, I'm really excited. Gently set that aside and see what else is in here. So I also see, Almond Croissant Room Spray. I love this scent so much. It smells so good. We have wax in here, but there are a few other things inside. I'll show you. We have a scent circle and sugar cookie. And a fun little surprise, some cookie cutters. So yes, that will be for the cookies that my husband will make me. Yay! Okay, so now we're just left with the wax, and that's kind of my favorite. Okay, ice pack, still cold. Yes. Okay, and there are 2 bars in here and a sample cup. So the first bar we have is baked apple pie. And I haven't warmed this yet, ever. I haven't even smelled it outside of a tester, so let's see. Ooh, it does smell like baked apple pie. I don't really get a crust note, but I definitely get the apple pie filling. There's quite a bit of cinnamon in it, but I actually kind of like it, so I am really, really happy with that. And then we have cinnamon buttercream, and I love this scent. I actually picked up another bar in my Scentsy Club order, so I will for sure love having another one. Okay, and now the best part, in my opinion, is a sample cup of next month, which would be November's scent of the month, and this is Icicles and Evergreen. Okay, I'm gonna give this a whiff if I can get it open. Oh, we have some damage to the lid, but that's okay because I'm probably gonna warm this right away. I can never wait. Okay. Oh. Okay. Ooh, I like that. Pop it out and smell the bottom. The top is amazing. Ooh. Okay, so I don't know what scent family this is in, but if I had to guess, I would say fresh. There is definitely like a pine note to it, a tree note, but there's something else. It's sweet. I think there might be a fruity note in it as well. But yeah, this is really great. I am excited. I cannot wait to get my my bars. Yes. So that is Icicles and Evergreen. This will be coming next month in November, and I love this one so far. On cold, I can't wait to warm it. Okay, so that is in the October's Whiff Box. Let me know if you guys picked it up. I think it's a really great theme. I love all the scents that are in here, and I love the fragrance flower and the room spray and the cookie cutters, which is just a cute little touch. So thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys later.